Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Long press on any video. Scroll through the quick actions in the top row and select picture-in-picture. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap Turn On. You need to give TikTok permission to appear on top of other apps. Now find the TikTok app from the list, and tap on it. And turn on display over other apps. Now go back. The picture-in-picture mode has been turned on. When you leave the TikTok app, you can continue watching videos while performing other tasks on your phone. You can expand and minimize the mini player by pinching and dragging the picture-in-picture window. You can also move the window around to any corner of your screen that suits your preference. To continue watching videos in the TikTok app, tap the icon in the top right corner of the mini player. So in this way, you can use picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.